Hi guys, here's exactly how to make her regret losing you. Number one, cut off supply. This is sometimes called the no contact rule in dating psychology, and it's exactly as ruthless as it sounds, but it's necessary. Doing this replaces her satisfaction with a high degree of frustration and curiosity. See, women are so used to a man chasing them that when she breaks it off, she's expecting for you to break and contact her, whether it be through a phone call, DM, text message, smoke signals, something. She's expecting something. Now, it might be difficult at first, but you have to resist the urge and hold your frame. But this is just the start. Number two, become an exceptional man. The most important step to making her regret losing you or want to get back with you is becoming an exceptional and competent man in every way possible. Listen, there are some things in life that just can't be gamed or faked. You have to put the work in, and being a genuinely high quality man is one of them. No woman regrets losing a guy with zero substance. So make sure to always be on your grind and become physically, mentally, and financially stronger every single day. So with that being said, until the next video, I'll see you guys later.